Our sprinkler system installed by True North Landscaping and Lane Stockert doing the plumbing, September 2024.
Had to go down about 6 feet, and it actually did not angle toward the middle of the house, but just actually going parallel to the land, the boundary, property boundary. Men hard at work.
Yeah.
They plan on using the original line to go down to the other controllers and the wire. Many years ago when I first dug it out. It was pretty hard work back then.
You forgot that we're putting the sprinkler
Pipe right now. Looks like it might actually be some kind of a junction. Yeah. A lot of work to do. A lot of back working work. Old stump, trees. Working pretty hard here in the backyard. There's a new control box. You're not filling it in already, are you? Don't you need to test it before you fill it in?
No, just around the
Not
box.
the box. The box is still
yeah,
accessible.
if it does leak, but if it does leak, I'm not.
Oh,
worried
so it'll
about
be
it.
right there then, huh?
Yeah.
Working pretty hard
Looks
here
like
in the
Otis
backyard.
has,
Found his new limits. Trenching. Yep, in this pretty
There's a new
difficult
control
job.
box.
But the green is the master valve.
So
The front yard will
blue
have
and red are
two
wired in this
separate
box, and then
areas.
green is the master valve. So
Little
anytime
sprinkler heads.
another valve is open, green will be open as well. Which there will be
First
a master
test
valve
run.
up there by the where the
Now it's
water's
getting
coming
the
out.
water
To
pressure
these
from the
valves
pump.
is blue. Yeah, right now. Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, it's fine.
Do you have a regular crew that you work with?
Yeah, just me, you know, and my son. I used to, but yeah, I just got burned out on, you know, payroll
There's a
and,
look inside this thing.
you know, people not showing up on
When
time.
you did the thing at on base.
Yeah, coffee shop there, yeah.
Yeah, at the Hammer on base.
Yeah.
Oh, it had a.
That's
I
like a
forget
really
who was
nice
working.
job.
I forget who was working.
Did you have a bunch of guys then, or
Just me and one other guy, yeah.
Within a few hours.
does it take any pressure?
You got it tight. You just got to pull it tight, and then.
No, I mean when it bonds itself. Does it actually, if there was a small leak, it would seal it?
I don't know.
So we got pressure going in there, dynamic pressure. Everything's nice and dry.
So once I smack that down, I should go that way. But yeah, that's
Does it feel it getting cold with the water going through it?
yeah.
You probably don't
That's
need
gonna
to
keep
go
it
all the
from-
way in, you know.
Yeah,
Just
that's gonna keep it from twisting, you know.
Right.
I could
Putting
try it a
soft
little bit
sand.
with that big hammer.
Yeah, so this is Lane finished up with a bunch of gravel, and he put the, I guess, the landscaping fabric on top of the plumbing and put gravel on top of that. So everybody's all
Sprinkler line.
waiting for Alan to come. With
pretty,
the
loving
valve
dog.
and New guys, I'm very impressed with your work.
Oh, thank
You're
you.
doing it really well, and this is the way it ought to be done.
We try.
Yeah, I could say these guys are digging for rocks, but no, they're actually having to dig up the sprinkler controller wires. Properly running the original line down there so we could attach more controllers to the control box. It's located over here. Seems to be all finished up here. Soon we'll be attaching to the water main and running the test. See if everything is all a-okay. All sealed up, all wired up for this section. Guys are checking it out. Checking it out. Final hookup. Joey's going to see if it turns on. And if it doesn't turn on, they have to dig everything up again. Is that what it is? Nice. Finishing up here. This is pretty cool. You could have used that in Irene's backyard to send all those rocks back there. Pretty nice. This is where you can manually shut it off, and also for the blowout. Alright, so this is where you would turn off at the end of the season the water waste stop valve, which will drain the remaining water left in the pipes to the ground.